Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video clip, I'm going to show you how you can very easily stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes under this video, and let's get started. And first of all, I want to say that this is a pretty common, so to speak, inconvenient situation or problem for many iPhone users. Because when you have Wi-Fi always on, and it's connecting to any network, it wastes your battery and you don't control your data usage and so on. And in order to solve this problem, it's not enough to do the following. If you just swipe down on the right side with your finger, so if you just turn off Wi-Fi here, it's not going to help you. You're going to have to go to your phone settings. Then Wi-Fi. \, as you can see, Wi-Fi is still active. And in order to stop using Wi-Fi, you just need to turn it off like this. In this way, you will definitely and surely disable the automatic Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.